Let's talk about the present perfect tense. And I know this is one that many of you struggle with or find it difficult because it's this weird thing where we connect the past and the present together, and how do you know if you must use past simple or present perfect? And it's complicated. Big thing to remember: when you use present perfect tense, think about the timing of things. I'm going to go into it in a little bit more detail, but remember the time. Present perfect tense connects something from the past to the present. For example, I have been trying to learn Python. If you know programming language. What I mean by this, I have been trying to learn Python. It is something that I have started in the past and I am continuing it on now. And big emphasis on trying. Not going so well. With this, we use the have or has, depending on the subject. Remember, I have, you have, we have, they have. But she has, he has, and it has. Remember, it can also be a company. For example, Samsung has been making phones for a long time. Samsung has it. And we use the past participle, especially in present perfect simple, which is what we're focusing on today. I like timelines. I like to be able to visually see something. If you don't like timelines, I completely understand. Then this is not the video for you. We have a timeline here, and we have the present, and we have the past. At some point in the past. So if we go back to my sentence, I have been trying to learn Python. It is something that I started in the past, and it is something that is connected to the future because maybe I know a little bit more on how to use the language now. I really don't. I'm still trying. Please note the trying. But the theory is that it is something that started in the past and that it connects to the present in the sense that I know a little bit more about what I am learning. Okay. I've improved my skills. I hope you're following so far, and I hope that it's making sense so far. Let's continue this thought, and let's have a look at an example. And you are going to decide which of these sentences is correct, or if neither of them are correct, or if they're both correct. First one: I've been in a meeting yesterday, which is why I didn't reply to your email. Or, I was in a meeting yesterday, which is why I haven't replied to your email. There are two parts to this sentence. The first part is the meeting, which happened yesterday. The second part is replying to the email. Remember what I said at the beginning? Stop and think about the timing of things with that sentence. So think about it. I have been in a meeting yesterday. I was in a meeting yesterday. Didn't reply to your email. Haven't replied to your email. Timing. Let's go through it. Let's look. Yesterday. Yesterday indicates that it is completed. It is something that is done in the past. We cannot go back and change it. It's finished. Okay. For that reason, we need to use past simple. So I was in a meeting yesterday. The meeting has no impact on me right now. I was in a meeting yesterday. But then we move on to the second part of it. What's the difference between didn't reply and haven't replied to your email? Is there a difference between the two? Well, there is. Haven't replied and didn't reply suggests that we are not going to do it. If I say I didn't reply to your email, it suggests I'm not going to do it. I'm talking to you now. Don't need to reply to your email. Haven't replied, on the other hand, suggests that it is something that I'm still going to do. Be like, oh, I haven't replied to your email. I'm probably going to get to it as soon as I possibly can sometime today. Which means that we can say, I was in a meeting yesterday, which is why I didn't reply to your email, suggesting I'm not going to reply to your email today. It's not happening. I'm just letting you know why. Or I was in a meeting yesterday, which is why I haven't replied to your email. This suggests that, in fact, I am going to reply to your email. Just give me some time. It was really busy. I hope this helps clarify things a little bit. This is it for a very quick lesson. Please let me know if you have any questions. Also, I will be doing a part 2 where we have a look at the difference between present perfect simple and present perfect continuous. And if you liked it, please like the video. It goes far. And if you like what I'm doing, please like and subscribe to the channel too. So thank you. See you next time.